I purchased these brake pads on Amazon. One of the biggest mistakes I've ever made. These brake pads did not fit. I had to do some modification to make these fit. It's very cheap. It came with this grease to grease the brake pads. It came with these clips that helps the brake pad to slide freely. It came with all 4 pads. It's very cheap, but it's not worth it. I always recommend buying OEM if you can afford it. Some parts like brakes, they're going to wear out. So if you can put money aside to purchase OEM, I always recommend that. This is what I had to do. I had to use a grinder to grind the side to get them fit. With the front brakes, I had similar problems. I had to grind the side for the front brakes. It's of a different brand though. And also the rotors, the brand new rotors that I bought, if you look closely, they are more to the left, rubbing on the caliper. So when I'm driving, I hear this squeaking noise. It got a little softer over time, but this is what happened when you buy aftermarket parts. I now stick to OEM parts. As you can see here, I usually buy filters by the 4 or 6. I buy it from a Toyota dealer, so I'm not going to run into those problems anymore. I also bought those light bulbs for the back. This is a sensor that I bought. That's a camshaft sensor that I'll be installing. I'll put a link in the description below. These are the original OEM brake pads, and this is a original OEM Toyota rotor. It costs more, but at the end of the day, it's worth it. So just for peace of mind, I stick to OEM.